Hi, I'm Alan Rogers, Vice President of Sales for Harper Corporation of America. And for over 47 years, Harper has been providing the most accurate and highest quality anilox rolls in the industry, along with our value-added technical support and services unmatched by any of our competitors. We're excited to be here at Label Expo, displaying some of the most accurate and precise engravings available in the anilox roll market. Whether you're in the market for anilox rolls, ink proofers, anilox cleaners, or even plate sleeves, please stop by our booth 401 to see what's new at Harper. And now, to talk more about our Harper product from our Harper Scientific line, I'd like to introduce Josh Kaiser, our Harper Scientific product manager.
The Harper Scientific Performance Wash is a chemical cleaner, a fast-acting, low-foaming, highly effective. It is designed and formulated for UV solvent water-based inks. It is also very, very effective in automated cleaning systems, off-press cleaning systems, sonnet tanks, soak tanks, and wash systems. The QD printer is our newest addition to the QD proofing family. It can do all applications: flexo, gravure, offset, and printing electronics, any application for coatings and adhesives. It's an all-around consistent and repeatable proofing system. It has speed options, programmable features, and additional features for curing LED UV inks and curing heavy coatings.